Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. You know what this channel is about: barbecue, cooking, and my love for food. Today, it's going to be a simple one. I'm going to show you guys how I make my barbecue sauce. Now, I said simple because it's going to be a couple of minutes video, but I want to make sure you guys have this recipe because I'm going to be using it in a lot of my barbecues and even some of my indoor cooking. So it's also awesome for you guys to be able to see it. Hopefully you love it. As always, thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget to comment. Make sure you subscribe. Let's cook. All right guys, as you see, pretty simple. I've got my ingredients here. I've already mixed my seasonings here. I'll put a couple of call outs that explain what's in there. So I've got the seasoning here. Over here we have the honey. Over here we have the syrup. Over here we have brown sugar and soft brown sugar and demerara sugar, Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce, ketchup, apple cider vinegar. Pretty straightforward. Now we're going to mix this all up and we're going to get the induction pot, put it all together, make some awesome stuff. All right guys, we finally made it. It's right at the end. It's cooled down for about an hour and a half. You can kind of see the consistency. It's a kind of sauce, really dark brown sauce. It's still got to do some thickening. Typically when you put it in the fridge, that will happen, as you see. So it's time to now bottle it. Now I typically take the tomato ketchup bottle that came in, wash it, and I pretty much fill as much as I can in here.